Hey guys, this will be my fourth bookshelf tour, so I'm just gonna start from the top. And this is the green one. This is my newest one, but I'll just start on top. We have this cute little guy that I got like last Easter. He's like a little alpaca. He's so cute. My snake kind of hangs over from the other bookshelf right here behind him. But yeah, then we got little Toothless. Toothless is a Build-A-Bear. He has a little sweater. He's so cute. We got Vulpix, which Vulpix is a Build-A-Bear, and she is adorable too. And then we got this little Pokemon too. This is, I forget his name. It's like I want to say Papillion, but that sounds like a dog's name, like a breed of dog, and I'm like, I don't know. Then we got a little Beluga, little baby Beluga, and that's the first like row on top. And then the next row I have Hamtaro, then another cool Pokemon looking dude. I only know like the first 150, and like the rest of the names, like I don't know. But he's cute. Like my mom found him and I'm like, oh, he's so cute. Then we got some more little chess pieces. This is probably Pippin and Mary. That's what they look like to me. Pippin and Mary. Could be the other main guys, but to me they look more like Pippin and Mary than Sam and Frodo. So then we also got Gandalf the Grey. We got a little Lily right here, little origami Lily. Got some extra makeup right there for now. I'm in the middle of like reorganizing things, and I'll probably still be reorganizing things for like months to come. But yeah. But the first, like this shelf, this doesn't have a back to it, so that's why I keep more like bigger stuff up here though. And then this is the next shelf. I have this cute little heart right here that my little sister gave me. It says sweet and it's all sparkly. And I have a little wooden recipes box that I got for Christmas last year, which I love. It has like little index cards with like I could write my recipes down, and like it's so perfect. I love it so much. And then I have this picture, which as you can see, there's Vulpix. Of three of our cats. That's the old boy that passed away this year. That's Pompey. Pompey is his name, but we just call him Pompey. And then this is my little girl, Hoshi. I have some black slime right here in the little jar. Now this Skell Animals thing. You can't see the name of it, but it says Skell Animals, like skeleton animals right there. But yeah, this is a little monkey. She's so cute. Like, look at her. She's so adorable. Okay, and I have my jump rope right here because I have a jump rope. Jump roping is really tough work though, because sometimes I just go on jump rope and stuff. This is some bath bombs in a little set that I got. This is my book journal, so if I want to like write down book ideas or like outline, I almost never outline. I have like one book outlined in here. I usually just write down ideas and then like make like a weird chart kind of thing. It'd be like and then like one page and that's good, and then maybe brainstorm like names. But yeah, and then this is just like an arts and crafts thing that's right there. The next shelf I have this thing that I got this from the dollar store because I got two. I got this and like a smaller green one. I didn't know which size was better, so I was just like, okay, I'll just get both. I haven't found a use for this one yet. I mean, but so it's like right there. I found a use for the green one though. So yeah, and then I have my Valentines because I like to make Valentines for all the people I care about every year and give them out a Valentine, even though I'm like in my 20s. I like to give out Valentine's still because I think it's cute and it comes from my heart. But yeah, and then I keep my reusable bags right here, like my smaller ones. I have a bigger freezer bag that's in my closet, but like my smaller ones that I use more, I keep out here. And then I have this little sign from ColourPop. I colored it. Like these were already red, these little droplets, but like I colored the rest of it with some like washable marker. And it's really cute. And then I got a couple movies here. Like I got the first 2 seasons of Bones, I got Book of Core, I got the Wild Thornberrys movie, the Never Ending Story. This is my favorite scary movie. It's called Frailty. It's a really cool movie. You should watch it if you haven't. So let me put it right there. And this shelf just has books. This doesn't come out, see, as far as like my other bookshelf. Both of my other bookshelves come out further, so I have more room to like decorate them. But this is pretty shallow and not very tall either. Like the shelves are pretty short, so I can only fit some books on it. So yeah, so this shelf just has some books, like whatever didn't fit like over there. And we just have like those, and then we have these two are gonna be a gift for someone, so those are just over there on that side. And then I have some stickers. I have this Anne Rice interview with, no, it's the Vampire Chronicles. Interview with the Vampire is the first book, and this has the first 3, I believe. I got this from like Barnes and Noble for like $25. It doesn't fit standing up, which I kind of want to move it to the other shelves, but then I need to like do a lot of rearranging because this is a super big book. It has one of those like ribbon things I really like. Some old like journals right there. Got some other books, and I have my 2 other Anne Rice books, which is The Witching Hour and The Mummy. Now I just have some like, I have a coloring book here. I have coloring books like everywhere in my room. I have some wall stickers. I have some folders, stuff like that. And then down here, I have some weird arts and crafts stuff. I have some like tie pillows I made, but I didn't stuff them yet. Have like, this is what I made the flowers from. That were on my wicker one. And I have some of these like stone things. It's like 5:30, so it's like starting to get dark. But then I have these head games like in the Cracker Barrel. I was like, what is the name of that place? But yeah, so the triangle one is definitely my favorite. But there's like tic-tac-toe and like a whole bunch of other ones. And then I have making candles. This says Hanukkah candles, but it's just making candles with like wax strip things. I've done these before. But yeah, I have some more recipes right here. These are just like from magazines and stuff mostly. They're held together by a little like hair clip or whatever. I have my Bible, which is huge. I have this book, which is really cool book. It's the World Yearbook, and this is events of the year I was born, which is 1993. I found it at a thrift shop. They had like all the 90s. I think they had some of like the 80s, either the 80s or the 2000s, I forget, but yeah. And I have like all my bigger books here. Like I have some Where's Waldo, I have a Richard Scarry book, I have a Winnie the Pooh book. So like all my bigger books are right in this little bottom corner thing. And then that's pretty much it. Over here, little Pegasus, and he's so cute. He's like a baby one, but he's like huge because he's like that big. But yeah, he's so cute. Like, look at him. He's so cute. But yeah, and I have some like puzzles down there. But yeah, that's this bookshelf, and that's it. So hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed all these bookshelf tours, and I really like. This was really fun to do. So